Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Bigo Live account. So if you have by chance forgotten the password to your Bigo Live account but want to recover it, these are the steps that you need to follow. First of all, open up your Bigo Live app. As soon as you open the app, you will be asked to sign into your Bigo Live account. Choose the option that you used in order to sign up for the account. Here, since I used my phone in order to sign up, I'm also going to use the phone to sign in. So I'm just going to tap on sign in with phone. And here my phone number has already been displayed, also the country and region. Now since I've forgotten my password, I have to tap on forgot password option that is below the login via verification code. After I tap on forgot password, Bigo Live will ask me to enter my phone number. So here my phone number has already been entered, so I'm just going to tap on next now. And then here it is said that it has sent me a verification code. So here I have received a verification code, and after typing in the verification code, I can simply type in the new password that I want for my Bigo Live account. So I'm just going to type in the new password here and then tap on done once you're done typing the new password. As you can see here now, I have already been logged into my account, which means that I have successfully recovered my account. So this is what you need to do if you want to recover your Bigo Live account in case you've forgotten the password. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, let us know in the comment section below, and also don't forget to share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.